Here's how you can upgrade your networking game in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Visit us at tap1ce.com and click on the 3 horizontal lines on the top right of your screen. Select the account option from the drop-down menu. You'll be taken to a login or sign-in page. You can use the email address and password you used to register while purchasing your card. If you didn't set a password during checkout, you can click on Forgot Password and a reset link to set your password will be sent to your registered email address. Step 2. Now that you've logged into your account, you can now create multiple profiles for business as well as social use. Click on Add Profile at the top right of your screen. Once you click on Add Profile, you will be presented with multiple options to choose from. Here we've chosen a portfolio card. You now have 2 options. Under Profile Name you can add the name you want to give to the portfolio. We're calling it Tap1ce Website. The second option is where we will add the actual link to the website. Once that's completed, all you have to do is click on Save and your new profile will be added to your account. Just click on Make Active to activate any one of your desired profiles. Step 3. All you have to do now is activate the profile you want to share and tap your card onto an NFC-enabled phone to share the selected profile. For devices without NFC, we have a dynamic QR code on your Tap1ce card, so any phone with a QR code scanner will be able to receive the profile you have selected. That's all it takes. You've successfully taken your networking game to a whole new level. We know how important first impressions are, and with Tap1ce we make sure it's a lasting one.